Hello, in this tutorial I will show you how you can implement check user availability in your registration form using Jquery, PHP and MySQL. When we create any registration form on our website, then our first requirement is to check the username or email is exist in our database or not. So this code is implemented to solve this type of problem. For this, I will create a very simple user table with 3 fields: username, email and password in Jquery database. I have already created a Jquery database before, so I will create a new table here with the name users, and fields are username, email and password. Username, email and password. My username is worker, email is worker, password is worker. Username 50 length, email 50, password 20. Save the structure and make the user name field as primary. Okay. Now add minimum 1 record on user table. So I will add records in this table. Username, suppose admin, email admin at example.com, password 1 2 3 4. Okay, our user table starter is inserted. Now go for the step 3, create a folder user check. Under htdocs folder, user check. Okay. Now first of all, I will copy the Jquery file from my previous location. Copy and paste. Okay. Now go for step 4, create a file index.php and replace the body part using this code. Just body section. Okay. Now go for step 6. Add the Jquery or link the Jquery file with the script. Go for step 7. Add Jquery method to check the availability. Under section and create a file. This step and save this file before and save the file under user check. This folder is created in previous step, index, and now create the new file check availability.php. File name is check availability.php. Okay, all steps are completed. Now step 9 is to check the code. Before checking the code, I will explain how this code is working. In the body section, there is a field username and another field email. If the username exists, then it will show the user's email address in the email field. Otherwise, this field will be empty and it will show the username is available. First of all, when the user type anything in this text box, then it will call check availability method, which is declared here, and it will call the Ajax method and call check availability.php file with the value username, and check availability will check this username is exists in your database or not. Here username and the value is checked from the users table, which I have already created in my previous steps, and user tables has an entry admin. So if the user type admin, then it will retrieve one record and display the message username not available. That means this user is already created. This username is already used. Otherwise, if I type anything other than admin, then it will show this message username available. And this message is displayed by this code hash availability, and which is the ID of this span tag, and the message will be displayed here. And when the username is not available, then it will show the email address in the email text box, and this code is added here. So now I will check my code. Localhost /user check. Okay, this is our form. Username available. That means there is no record with this value. And if I type admin, then it is showing username not available and email address is displaying from the database. So you can apply this code when you create any registration form for your website to check user availability. Hope you will try this code. Thank you.